Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing the second chapter of the book Moments, class 9 CBSE, and that is The Adventures of Toto, written by Ruskin Bond. So before we move on with the explanation portion, let us discuss about the writer. Ruskin Bond was born on 19 May 1934, is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his family in Mussoorie, and he was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in the year 1992, and he was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. And he is more popular for writing children's stories. So that was a short intro about Ruskin Bond. Now we'll discuss this chapter, The Adventures of Toto. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. Now, my dear children, as the title itself says, that The Adventures of Toto. So in this chapter we are going to read about a monkey and whose name is Toto. And this monkey is whether mischievous or docile. This is something what we have to decide. Mischievous means very naughty, and docile means very quiet and easy to control, or in other words, very obedient also. So let us find out about this monkey Toto. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. Now the story starts with the intro, and the author says that his grandfather, he bought this Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. You can see in the picture a Tonga driver is there, a monkey is there, and the Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. Okay, what do you mean by feeding trough? You can see it on your screens, the picture, a kind of vessel in which food and water is provided to the animals. एक ऐसा बर्तन जिसमें भोजन और पानी जानवरों के लिए रखा जाता है, that is called feeding trough. So this monkey was tied to a feeding trough, and this monkey was not at all looking comfortable. So when the grandfather, when he saw that monkey, he felt pity upon that monkey, and he decided that he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. So grandfather was having a private zoo. Grandfather was very fond of animals. Grandfather जो दादाजी थे, उनके पास खुद का एक चिड़ियाघर था, और वो जानवरों के बहुत शौकीन थे. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि मैं इस मंकी को भी अपने छोटे से चिड़ियाघर में, अपने पर्सनल चिड़ियाघर में जो है, मैं इसको रख लूं. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Now the author is giving a brief description about the monkey, और वो कहते हैं कि टोटो वॉज अ प्रिटी मंकी. इट It was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief. His eyes were bright and there was a kind of naughtiness in the eyes of Toto. Toto की आंखों में एक प्रकार की शरारतपन दिखती थी. Beneath deep set eyebrows, ठीक है, और जो भौं थे वो कैसे थे, उभरे उभरे हुए थे. And his teeth which were a pearly white. And what about his teeth? They were like pearly white, मोतियों की तरह सफेद. Very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. And whenever this monkey Toto used to smile, whenever this Toto used to smile, he would, frighten the Anglo-Indian ladies. Who are Anglo-Indian ladies? Means people who are actually born to a British Indian, who are born to British Indian parents. Okay? They are called Anglo Indians. ठीक है, एंग्लो इंडियंस किसे कहा जाता है? ऐसे लोगों को एंग्लो इंडियंस हम कहते हैं जिनके फादर या मदर या तो अंग्रेज थे और उसमें से कोई एक इंडियन थे और कोई अंग्रेज थे. तो ऐसे जो लोगों से जो संतान पैदा होती है, दे आर कॉल्ड एंग्लो इंडियंस. तो व्हेन दिस टोटो यूज्ड टू स्माइल, जब टोटो जब मुस्कुराता था या हंसता था, जब अपने दांत डिस्प्ले करता था, तो वहाँ की जो लेडीज़ हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाती थी, स्पेशली एल्डरली लेडीज़. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. And what about his hands? His hands were so dried up, हाथ इतने सूखे और रूखे लगते थे. It seemed as if, they had been pickled in the sun. Pickled means what? They have been kept in the sun for a while. ऐसा लगता था जैसे धूप में कई सालों के लिए उस हाथ को रख दिया गया है, धूप में सूखने के लिए कह सकते हैं आप. तो ऐसे जो है उसके हाथ सूखे और रूखे दिखते थे. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked. Okay, but although his hands were very, he was having very dry hands, but his fingers were very quick and wicked. Wicked means naughty. Quick means very fast. बड़ी जल्दी उसकी उंगलियां चलती थी. And his tail, while adding to his good looks, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, also served as a third hand. And what about his tail? And this tail used to serve him as a third hand. Okay, because he could use it to hang from a branch and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hand. So what is happening here? कि उसके पास जो पूंछ था वो एक प्रकार से तीसरे हाथ का काम करता था टोटो के लिए, और वो उस पूंछ के सहारे किसी भी टहनी से लटक सकता था, और कहीं पर उसका हाथ ना पहुंचे और कहीं पर कुछ भोजन रखा हुआ है लेकिन वहाँ पर हाथ नहीं पहुंच सकता, तो उस चीज़ को वो अपनी पूंछ के सहारे उठा लेता था. स्कूपिंग मीन्स टू पिक अप, डेलिकेसी मीन्स फूड. ठीक है, तो भोजन अगर दूर में रखा है, हाथ की पहुंच से बाहर है, तो ही वुड यूज हिज टेल टू गेट दैट फूड. एंड ग्रैंडफादर बिलीव्ड अ टेल वुड ऐड टू एनीवन्स गुड लुक्स. और दादाजी का ये मानना था कि किसी भी जानवर की खूबसूरती में उसका पूंछ जो है वो चार चांद लगा देता है. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट इट मीन्स. Grandmother always fussed when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. So what happened? What about grandmother? Grandfather was very fond of animals. He was having a private zoo. But what about grandmother? She was very worried and concerned about these animals and birds. She was not at all in favor of keeping these animals and birds, So always she used to have a kind of discussion or a kind of verbal spat with grandfather. हमेशा जो है एक प्रकार से झगड़ा हो जाता था दादाजी से दादी का कि क्यों इस तरीके के जानवर और बर्ड्स को तुम यहाँ पर लाके रखते हो. तो उनको बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगता थी सारी चीज़ें, वो काफ़ी चिंतित हो जाती थी. सो इट वॉज डिसाइडेड दैट टोटोज प्रेजेंस शुड बी केप्ट ए सीक्रेट फ्रॉम हर until she was in a particularly good mood. So finally what happened, the author Ruskin Bond and his grandfather, they both decided, okay fine, we will not disclose this Toto to grandmother, and we will disclose this Toto when we'll get the appropriate time. जब उचित समय आएगा तब तक हम टोटो को छुपाए रखेंगे दादी से, और जब वो सही मौका मिलेगा और दादी जब वाकई में अच्छी मूड में होंगी, देन वी वुड डिस्क्लोज दिस फैक्ट, तब हम इस सच्चाई को बता देंगे कि हमने जो है एक बंदर को भी जो है ले आए हैं. Grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. So finally what happened, the grandfather and the author Ruskin Bond, they put that monkey in a little closet. Closet means cupboard, ठीक है, आप अलमारी भी कह सकते हैं. तो एक जो कबर्ड था उनके घर में, उस कबर्ड में उन्होंने सोचा है कि इस टोटो बंदर को हम वहाँ पे रख देंगे. वेयर ही वॉज टाइड सिक्योरली, है ना, और वहाँ पर उन्होंने जो है उसको बढ़िया से जो है बांध कर एक सुरक्षित जगह पर रख दिया. किससे बांधा? टू ए पेग. ओके, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पेग? इन हिंदी वी कॉल इट खूटा, है ना, खूटे से बांध दिया. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पेग इन इंग्लिश? अ पीस ऑफ वुड ऑन ए वॉल वेयर यू हैंग योर कोट, है ना, हम कपड़ा टांगते हैं खूटे पर, है ना, अपने. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ पेग. सो उस खूटे से जो है बांध कर उसको उस कबर्ड में छुपा दिया गया. ओके, fastened into the wall. So now see what happens. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. So what happened after a few hours, when the grandfather and when the author, when they both came to release Toto, so for their utter astonishment, they found that the walls, which were actually covered with some of ornamental papers, on finally what happened, they all have come out, and everything is out, and they could literally see the naked brick and प्लास्टर. जब वो वापस आए टोटो को वहाँ से हटाने के लिए, उस कबर्ड में से बाहर निकालने के लिए, तो उन्होंने क्या देखा कि दीवार के ऊपर जो है एक वॉलपेपर चिपका हुआ था. ओके, ऑर्नामेंटल पेपर मीन्स सजावट वाले पेपर. वो पेपर पूरे उखड़े हुए थे. ओके, और यही नहीं, he did something else, is one step ahead. What was that? Naked brick and plaster. यहाँ तक कि उसने प्लास्टर तक जो है निकल आया था उस दीवार के, और यहाँ तक कि जो है अंदर की ईंट जो है वो भी दिखने लगी थी. शायद इतनी तेजी के साथ उसने खींचा होगा. फाइन. द पेग इन द वॉल हैड बीन wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. So finally what happened, this monkey, he mustered up his whole energy, and he might have pulled that peg with his full strength. पूरी ताकत के साथ उसने खींचा होगा, तो वो खूटा जो है वो जो दीवार में था वो पूरा जड़ से उखड़ आया. ओके, wrenched means to pull something very strongly from its socket. Socket means from its root, जड़ से. And something else that monkey did, what was that? The author's school blazer, it was hanging there, was in shreds. Shreds means pieces, टुकड़े में. वो तो खूटे से तो उसने खूटे को तो उसने पूरी दीवार से उखाड़ दिया, साथ ही साथ ऑथर का जो स्कूल ब्लेजर वहां पर रखा हुआ था, और उसको उसने क्या कर दिया? श्रेड्स. श्रेड्स मीन्स टुकड़े 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 कर दिए, एकदम फाड़ दिए. I wondered what grandmother would say. Now the author was very afraid, ना, अब दादी क्या बोलेंगी? But grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. But grandfather was not at all upset with this type of activity, but rather he felt pleased with Toto's performance. उनको बड़ा अच्छा लगा टोटो की इस हरकत को देखकर. And see what grandfather is saying. He is clever, said grandfather. Given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. Now see what grandfather is saying. Grandfather is saying that, see, he is a very clever animal. and see, if we give him some time, he would literally, collect all those torn pieces of your blazer and he would make it in a he would make a rope out of it and he would escape from the window. तो देखिए ग्रैंडफादर क्या कह रहे हैं, ग्रैंडफादर कह रहे हैं नहीं, टोटो एक समझदार जानवर है, अगर उसको हम कुछ समय दें तो ये जो तुम्हारा ब्लेजर उसने फाड़ा है, टुकड़े टुकड़े में कर दिया है, इन्हीं सारे टुकड़ों को जोड़कर वो एक रस्सी बना लेगा और इसी खिड़की से कूद कर वो क्या हो जाएगा, बाहर चला जाएगा. मीन्स हेयर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, ग्रैंडफादर इज नॉट एट ऑल एंग्री, ओके, and he is literally supporting this animal and he feels that this animal is very clever. His presence in the house still is secret. Now still his presence was a secret. Still grandmother was not aware of Toto's presence. अभी तक grandmother को नहीं पता घर में टोटो है. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarters where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. So finally what happened after seeing this mischievous Toto, or after going through some sort of incidents related to Toto, finally it was decided that Toto would be transferred to a big cage in the servants quarters. तो वहीं पर जो है, जो नौकर, उनके जो ऑथर के यहाँ जो काम करने वाले नौकर होते थे, उनके क्वार्टर्स भी थे वहाँ पर, उनके घर भी वहाँ पर थे. उनके घरों के पास ही जो है एक बड़ा सा केज था ना, केज मीन्स वर्ड में पिंजरा, ठीक है. सो फाइनली व्हाट हैपेंड, द ग्रैंडफादर ही डिसाइडेड दैट ही वुड ट्रांसफर दिस टोटो टू दैट बिग केज. उन्होंने ठान लिया कि ठीक है, टोटो को मैं घर पर नहीं रखूंगा बल्कि इस बड़े से पिंजरे में जाकर इसको रख दूंगा. एंड ऑलरेडी ए फ्यू एनिमल्स वर लिविंग देयर वेरी सोशबली एंड हैप्पीली. और पहले से कुछ जानवर उस बड़े से पिंजरे में बड़े ही अच्छी तरीके से मिलकर जो है सामाजिक तरीके से रह रहे थे. एंड हु ऑल आर दे, ए टॉर्टॉइस, एक कछुआ था, ए पेयर ऑफ रैबिट्स, खरगोश के एक जोड़े खरगोश थे, ए टेम स्क्वेरल, टेम मीन्स टिमिड, डरपोक, गिलहरी वहाँ पर थी, एंड विद दैट माई पेट गोट, और वहाँ पर बकरी भी थी. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. But see, this monkey, this Toto, he was so mischievous that he would never allow any of his companions to sleep at night. वो किसी भी अपने साथी को रात में सोने नहीं देता था, ना ही बकरी हो, ना ही रैबिट हो, ना ही कछुआ हो, स्क्वायरल हो, किसी को नहीं, सबको डिस्टर्ब करता था. So, grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. So after seeing all these activities of Toto, grandfather finally decided, okay, I would take this animal along with him, as grandfather was going to Saharanpur. Okay, he was going to Saharanpur from Dehradun to collect his pension. So he decided that he would also take this Toto with him. So my dear children, we will stop the explanation part here only, and we will continue it in the next video. I hope whatever we have discussed is clear to you. Still, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll be responding to your questions. Once again, go through this explained portion, and any confusion is there, please feel free to ask me. So that was all from this video. Thank you and God bless you.